डॉक्टर साहब हमने आपके लिए एक डायग्राम बनाई है जिसमें हम पेरिनल एरिया शो कर रहे हैं। आप ये देखें तो दिस इज़ एनल कनाल का म्यूकोज़ा है। ये आपको इंटरनल स्फिंक्टर नज़र आ रहा है, ये एक्सटर्नल स्फिंक्टर है, ये लिवेटर एनाई है यहाँ पर, और ये स्किन है आगे। तो इसी तरह से ये आपको हम लिथॉटमी पोजीशन में पेशेंट दिखा रहे हैं। लिथॉटमी पोजीशन में आपको एनल वर्ड्स नज़र आ रहा है और हमने 2 एब्सेसेस बनाई हुई हैं। तो टू स्टार्ट विद दिस स्टेशन हम पहले आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, पहले हमें इस डायग्राम पे हमें डेमोस्ट्रेट करें कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पेरिनल एब्सेसेस।
So we have 6 types of abscess as mentioned here. Number 1 is submucous abscess. It lies just beneath the mucosa of the anal canal. So it is here. This is submucous abscess. Then there is second type is marginal abscess. It is present in the perineal space just at the anal verge. So this is our second type of abscess. Then there is third type of abscess which is called perianal abscess, true perianal abscess. It is present in the perianal space. This is the perianal space. So this is our third kind of abscess. Then there is intersphincteric abscess. Intersphincteric abscess is present between the two portions of the anal sphincter, internal sphincter and external sphincter. So this is our fourth kind of abscess. Fifth type is ischiorectal abscess. It is present in the ischiorectal fossa. This is our ischiorectal fossa which is present between the external sphincter, levator ani and beneath deep to the perianal skin. So this is our fifth kind. Then we have supralevator abscess. It is present above the or deep to the levator ani muscle. So it is present here.
Dr. Sabha, supralevator can be of 2 different types.
Yes, supralevator can be isolated supralevator abscess as I have shown you here, or it can be associated with ischiorectal abscess. So this is supralevator abscess with associated ischiorectal abscess.
This is also 6.
Yes.
So Dr. Sabha, so these are different 6 different types of perianal abscess.
Yes.
So can you draw the incisions for these different perianal abscesses?
Yes sir. The first 4 kinds of abscesses are drained by radial incision with excision of hanging edges.
डॉक्टर साहब आपके ख्याल में अगर दिस इज़ अ पेरिनल एब्सेस जो कि थर्ड टाइप है, तो आप ये जो आप बात कर रही हैं ये इंसिजन हमें लगा के दिखाएं कैसे लगेंगे?
एनल वर्ड से रेडियली हम इंसिजन देंगे. दिस इज a radial incision. We will excise the hanging edges so that abscess cavity is not closed. So it will be kind of an elliptical incision.
So you will give a radial incision and on the hanging margins they will be excised. So basically it will be a ellipse, to name this thing, this is a radial incision with excision of the hanging margins.
Yes.
So the first 4 abscesses, which is submucosal, marginal, perianal and intersphincteric, they are to be dealt with this incision.
Yes.
What about the ischiorectal abscess?
Ischiorectal abscess.
Suppose this is an ischiorectal abscess.
Yes sir. For ischiorectal abscess we give a cruciate incision. This is the cruciate incision, and same as other abscesses we excise the hanging edges like this format so that abscess cavity is not closed.
What's about the supralevator abscess, madam?
Sir, supralevator abscess, if we have isolated supralevator abscess, then we drain this abscess internally. So we give just as I have shown you earlier a radial incision in the mucosa and internal sphincter, and we drain this abscess here.
And what's about this one?
In this kind of abscess we drain this abscess externally to the skin. So we give incision, cruciate incision, just as in ischiorectal abscess.
So 6
to
is
the
if
outside.
an isolated, then it should be into the anal canal.
Yes,
and
sir.
if it's communicating with the ischiorectal fossa, then it should be to the exterior to the skin.
Yes sir.
Thank you very much. Dr. Sabha, what are the principles of incision in cases of perineal abscess?
So first of all, we give our incision at the most fluctuant part of the abscess.
Okay.
Secondly, we should give incision closest to the anal verge. Sir, thirdly, we should send the wall for histopathology. Fourthly, when we are breaking the loculi, we break them gently without forming false passages. And sir, lastly, we don't tightly pack the abscess cavity for future to prevent the future necrosis of skin.
Thank you very much.